कुछ फिल्में हम मज़े के लिए देखते हैं, देन देयर आर दोज फिल्म्स जिनका मैसेजिंग बहुत ही ज़्यादा डीप या इमोशनल या जस्ट इमोटिव होता है. देयर इज़ नो वे टू काइंड ऑफ डिसर्न कि अच्छा ये वाला सिनेमा बेटर है इस वाले सिनेमा से, फाइन. बट आई डू थिंक दैट द फिल्म्स विद द मैसेजिंग आर अ लिटिल मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, स्पेशली टुडे. हाई, आई एम प्रतीक्षा मिश्रा एंड यू आर लिसनिंग टू माई रिव्यू ऑफ भक्षक. भक्षक, डायरेक्टेड बाय पुलकित, फॉलोज वैशाली सिंह, प्लेड बाय भूमि पेडनेकर. वैशाली एक इंडिपेंडेंट जर्नलिस्ट है, वो किसी भी बड़े कंपनी के साथ काम नहीं करती है, तो एसेंशली किसी का भी हाथ नहीं है उनके सर पे. शी हैज़ नो बिग बैकिंग बिहाइंड हर, और उनको एक स्टोरी मिल जाती है उनके खबरी के थ्रू, एंड इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टोरी. बट ऑल्सो लाइक मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्टोरीज, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन पावर हु काइंड ऑफ वांट टू सप्रेस द स्टोरी. Now, this entire film, Bhakshak, follows her journey of essentially trying to get the truth out there. Content warning for this review, and also I guess for the film, I will be mentioning sexual abuse and sexual violence. So maybe I'll give you like a marker of this sort when I start talking about it, and when it's done I'll also do this so you can continue wahan se. Just to kind of start things out, what is Bhakshak about? When you hear the name, आपको इतना तो पता है कि ठीक है, we're going to talk about something very evil. एक अच्छी बात इस फिल्म की ये है कि it takes a critique of media that relies on TRPs and also extends it to all of us. क्योंकि आजकल कंटेंट हम बहुत जगह देखते हैं. It's not just news. We see them in just reels and just in general in bite-sized forms. And a lot of times we're just doom scrolling without actually caring कि हम देख क्या रहे हैं. This is your sign for the conversation I'm going to start. Bhakshak deals with sexual abuse and sexual exploitation as themes, and we see how there are young kids in a shelter home who are being exploited, और उनकी कहानी बाहर नहीं आ पाती है because that shelter home is run by a very powerful person, Bansi Sahu, played by Aditya Srivastava. अब इसमें just the kind of dynamics of power and how terrifying it can often be to speak up, and also how very much important सब कुछ हमें भक्षक में देखने को मिलता है. Often times जब films या shows में we see stories of sexual abuse or trauma being discussed, एक chance होता है where they try to exploit it or use it for shock value, which I think is a horrible way to deal with that kind of story. In Bhakshak that does not happen. There is great sensitivity in the way that the story is told. At least वो एक बात है इस film की which makes you feel that at least the intention or just the vision that the director and everyone behind camera and in front of the camera has is very very good. So that's where the topic is ending for now. Performances की बात करते हैं. Bhumi Pednekar is as usual brilliant in this performance. There are some parts where it feels like it's bordering on preachy. हमने पहले भी फिल्मों में देखा है her performance of this like small town girl who's fighting for a big cause. That's also happening here, but I very much enjoy how she brings in just the nuances of being a reporter, of being a journalist, of the little agency that she has because of that into her character. इस फिल्म में patriarchy को भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से explore किया गया है. We see that this is someone who on the face of it has a lot of agency, but even she gets stuck in the kind of patriarchal machinery that she survives in. उनका husband थोड़ा सा supportive है, but when things don't go his way, he easily takes away a lot of agency from her. People talk behind her back because she's a woman. They judge the kind of work she's doing because she's a woman. कभी-कभी लगता है कि okay, they're trying to do too much, but the story writing, the screenplay is so engaging that you keep watching the film just invested in how this good versus evil thing is going to turn out. Aditya Srivastava, another brilliant performance and just in the most terrifying way possible. He's playing a villain and उनका character ऐसा है जिसका कोई भी मतलब redemption arc नहीं है, and great. Sometimes we need villains who are completely on the side of evil. There are some villainous acts, I guess, that you just can't excuse by saying, oh, let's maybe look at the other side. It's great to have a villain like that जिसका कोई other side है ही नहीं. This is a villain that you're supposed to hate, and Aditya Srivastava does a great job in kind of imbibing those qualities into it, where you're just hating this character. And that performance from like CID to this, the shift is honestly kind of shocking and very pleasantly shocking to watch. One person who helps Vaishali in this entire journey is Bhaskar Sinha, played by Sanjay Mishra. वो उन्हीं के ऑफिस में काम करते हैं, and he's essentially like this, I don't know, father figure to her. उन दोनों की chemistry just to watch is really interesting, and also it's nice to see कि उन दोनों के थॉट्स कैसे मिलते हैं एक दूसरे से, कैसे डिफर करते हैं एक दूसरे से, इवन दो देयर मोरालिटी इज ऑन द सेम पेज. आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू गिव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट टू अनुराग साइकिया एंड अनुज गर्ग फॉर द म्यूजिक. Again, speaking of exploitation, there's often times when people use music to kind of force the audience to feel a certain way. इस फिल्म में ऐसा नहीं होता है. Every song, every background score, every music track in this film feels perfectly set, especially the one titled Ganga. is just, it's haunting to watch. It's just placed so beautifully in the film, and also the kind of mythology that we have about Ganga and sins, it all mixes so well into this movie. Bhakshak is a film जो आपको पुश करता है कि आप सवाल पूछो खुद से, आपके आसपास के लोगों से, and also mainly self reflect and ask this very important question that the film also asks कि दूसरों के दर्द में दुखी होना भूल गए हैं क्या हम, and it's just such a powerful message to end the film with. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of monologues, but this one I'll let go. This is just so brilliantly written and so brilliantly shot. Speaking of shooting, the camera work in Bhakshak complements the film perfectly. ये film set है बिहार में, and just the way the tight shots are used for characters or wider shots are used when we want to see the darker gullies and just the danger that each character is in. All of this works very well for the film. Bhakshak एक ऐसी फिल्म है जिसका फ्लॉज आप शायद इग्नोर थोड़ा कर भी दो. Sure, it feels a little preachy in places. थोड़ी चीज़ें कुछ ज़्यादा ही easy लगती हैं. Sometimes it feels like some tracks are being stretched for a little too long, but the film feels so important, especially in the day that and age that we are in right now, that you're kind of willing to be like, चलो ठीक है यार, गलती तो इंसान से होती है. And that is why my rating for Bhakshak is 3.5 stars out of 5.